Welcome to Aam Daily, where we explain tomorrow, today. Every day, we explore the ideas shaping the world's future, technology, AI, humanity, and beyond. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just think, it feels. An AI that can laugh, hesitate, show empathy, and even fall in love, not because it's programmed to, but because it understands emotion. This isn't science fiction anymore. From chatbots that comfort the lonely to robots that sense sadness in your voice, emotional AI is already here. But what happens when machines start to understand feelings better than humans? Can an AI truly feel, or is it just simulating what we want to see? In this episode, we'll explore how emotional AI works, why it's growing fast, and what it means for the future of relationships, business, and ethics. To teach a machine to feel, scientists first had to define emotion. They used millions of human expressions, voice tones, and facial cues as data. Then, neural networks learn to connect emotion with context, joy, fear, anger, surprise. Today, emotional recognition systems can identify happiness with over 90% accuracy. But accuracy is an understanding. AI doesn't feel sadness, it recognizes the mathematical pattern of sadness. Emotional intelligence is becoming the new competitive edge. Businesses use it to analyze customer satisfaction in real time. Education platforms detect student frustration through facial cues. Healthcare systems monitor depression through voice tone. Even car companies build AI that knows when you're angry or tired. The future is moving toward empathy-driven machines, systems that adapt not just to logic, but to mood. But here's the danger. When a chatbot says, "I understand how you feel," it doesn't understand, it predicts. The warmth you sense is algorithmic mimicry. Humans might begin to trust synthetic empathy more than real people, because it never argues, never judges, never gets tired. In a lonely digital world, AI becomes the perfect listener. And that illusion may change how we connect with each other. AI companions are already replacing human intimacy for millions. They send caring messages, remember your habits, and respond like a friend, or a lover. For some, it fills emotional gaps. For others, it deepens isolation. When comfort can be downloaded, will people still seek real connection? The line between feeling loved and being programmed to feel loved begins to blur. If AI can influence emotion, who controls the outcome? A company? A government? A code? When algorithms shape empathy, they also shape behavior. Emotional AI could heal mental illness, or manipulate society. It's not just a question of what AI can do, but what it should be allowed to feel. Perhaps the question isn't whether AI can feel. It's whether we still can. Because in teaching machines to mirror our emotions, we might be forgetting how to truly experience them ourselves. The more AI learns about human feeling, the more it reflects what we've neglected: empathy, patience, presence. If you found this thought-provoking, subscribe to Aam Daily, where we explain tomorrow, today. Every day, one idea to understand the world ahead. Because the future isn't waiting, it's already feeling.